Kleemann offers various screening media to achieve consistently reliable screening results. The choice of the right screening medium is essential, as it determines the material screening line and therefore the quality, and also the efficiency of the screening medium. We at Kleemann provide our customers with a wide range of products to meet changing conditions. Slotted grates, punch plates, and finger screens rank among the heavy-duty robust screening media and are used for pre-screening. They are found in the upper deck of jaw and impact crusher pre-screens, as well as in core screening plants. Usually made of highly wear-resistant steel, they protect the underlying screen decks from damage in the case of large feed quantities, and also separate the material in the first screening step. Slotted grates have continuous gaps that widen in the material flow. This prevents the material from becoming wedged. They are preferably used in natural stone applications, where they tend to stick less to cohesive material than punch plates. Punch plates, on the other hand, are used to achieve a defined final grain size. They offer the perfect combination of robustness and classification. They are available with either round or hexagonal perforations. Our finger screens are used in core screening plants, also called scalpers. They are ideally suited for sorting difficult-to-separate materials such as coarse building rubble, clay, or grass soil. The vibrations on the bars ensure very good self-cleaning and throughput. Here, too, the stable structure protects against rapid wear in the case of heavy feed material. The screen decks, made of spring steel wire, feature lightweight design and a large open screening surface, which enables good separation of the material to be screened. They are mainly installed in the screen decks, where the coarse and heavy material was previously screened off. Kleemann offers the following screen decks made of spring steel wire. The square mesh is the standard in screening, since a cubic grain is used in most applications. The fixed wire weave ensures consistent grain separation. Depending on the screen box inclination, the mesh size should be selected approximately 10% larger than the desired grain size. If a higher throughput is required and there is elongated material in the feed material, we recommend our W-harp. It consists of corrugated round longitudinal wires that are held in place by cross wires woven in at specific intervals. The inherent oscillation of the longitudinal wires prevents plug-in grain, and the larger screening surface increases throughput. For sticky, very moist screening material that would clog square meshes, our G-harp, also called piano wire, is used. The thin longitudinal wires are perfectly suited for dewatering and screening muddy material. The flexible crossholders made of polyurethane also make it easy to attach them to the crossbars of the lower deck of our classifying screens. The mesh size is chosen to be equal to the grain size. If you want to screen dry, moist, or clayey material, and if you prioritize accurate grain separation and self-cleaning of the screen surface, then the S-harp is the right choice. This is very similar to the square mesh, except that the longitudinal wires can oscillate freely. This prevents the mesh from becoming clogged. In the end, it comes down to an interplay of material, screening medium, and the right setting of the screening unit to achieve a perfect screening result.